Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can check the battery temperature on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is download an app that allows us to check the battery temperature. So open the Play Store and then search for GCPU and monitor. There we go. And then we need to select this app over here and then install it. Now let's wait a couple of seconds to let the smartphone to install it, and then we need to open it. Now over here we need to press this check. We don't really have to consent to any of these. And now over here we have battery. We can tap on the battery. Once again, do not consent. Try one more time. Of course we might see an ad. And after that, over here we can see the temperature of our battery. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.